Hey everyone, I'm 13Stuart and this is my garage. This is my first video and I'm super excited to finally get started on this project. On the channel we're going to be working on vehicle projects, cars we buy cheap, fix up and try to sell for a profit. I'll also be working on my own personal vehicles. We're currently standing in what's going to be the workshop for the channel. This is what we're working with. As you can see, there's all sorts just everywhere. And it goes all the way down there as well. But first things first, we're going to tidy everything up. Obviously any tools we come across we're going to put into a container. I'll just give you a good idea of it. And with that, the workshop is finally starting to take shape. This video took about a month in total to film, and my dad and I have spent over 45 hours cleaning and decorating the workshop. It's finished for now, but we'll keep adding to it over time. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe if you want. There's a lot more on the way, and honestly the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching.